guys, another day, and yes, today my outfit I'm in love with. So there is my outfit, little jeans, and then I got this top for £3 guys, £3, you look, can you believe it? How cute is it? And then Jyoti's wearing red and blue too. And so today we've had breakfast, we've woken up, got dressed, half packed because tomorrow's technically our last day, and then we fly out tomorrow evening, but I think we have to check out by 12, so we decided to pack everything so we don't have to worry about that tomorrow morning. And Jyoti is currently making swans, but I made that one and he's making that one. So we're trying to make swans for the people that work here, the room service. But yes, and now we're thinking of going to the city centre, but we're too lazy to walk the hill because yesterday it physically killed us just walking up. Coming down is fine, walking up is like a nightmare. So we're gonna take the 2 o'clock boat, water taxi to the city centre and see what we can do there. Right, Jyoti? Yeah. Right. And we're thinking of having one last swim before. We did it! It's a bit bent, but we did it! We made 2 swans. And it was a surprise for our room service. Right, should we go?
Hopefully they will be happy this year when they see what we made for them. अपने वो वीडियो बना कहती है चल गड्डी च ड्राइव विद मी वाली वीडियो बनाने ना शॉट लेने आ कहती फिर ये गई तो चल उतों स्क्रैच कार्ड जे लियाई कूपन वाले भी चल हो नहीं तो फन होगा भी लोग देखणगे है ना ते दो पाउंड का कार्ड थी 2 कार्ड ले आई वो एक कार्ड दे नाम निकला सानू आउंदे नु चेक नहीं किया चेक जाके इंग्लैंड नु वापस करना ते नाम भी पता कितने दा निकलिया जी 1 लाख पाउंड दा.
Guys, we got lazy and we didn't go to the city, and now we're just chilling at the resort. We taught the room service. She's so sweet. When we taught her how to do the swans, and she got so happy. It was so cute, and we were like, and now at least she's got one more skill. Now she can make swans, you know. And so what we're gonna do is we've been just trying to get a ton of drone shots because we've had so much bad luck. We're getting shots, it's ridiculous. And like yesterday the sunset, there was no sunset. Today I don't think there's a sunset, so no more sunset shots. But we figured out how to use quick shot on the Spark, so we're gonna be doing that today. I just changed into my top that I was in yesterday because I wanted to get a different top in the drone shots because I haven't got anything in this. So I was like, why not I just chucked this on, like the same jeans that I was wearing earlier. And yeah.
Bye.
Good. नहीं तू हिलाया
सिर्फ आ हिलिया था
नो कट
हिलिया नहीं मैं
कैमरे ते रिकॉर्ड कीता कट
मैं दिखा
ओ देख पूरा पता लग रहा निकले होया
ज्यादा तू आ हिलाओ
नहीं मैं हिलाया ही नहीं
ਉਹਦਾ ਵਰਕਆਊਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਹਾਂ गिर गया
Yeah, then we chilled outside for a bit, played Jenga, spoke to people from like England as well, and they lived very close to us, so we were like, oh, interesting to know. And yeah, people are still outside. It's gonna continue for like another half an hour, I think. What up guys, another morning, and yep, we are ready. There's Jyoti, he's just doing his start, and today we are leaving, so this is our last day. So we're both like, this is the first time that we actually don't want to leave. So yeah, basically we're checking out by 12 and it's nearly 12 o'clock, I think, Hannah? So we've packed everything up, it's just our drone that's left, and we're thinking of getting another 2 lots of shots. So we're thinking get 1 shot now, get it charged up, and then get 1 for sunset. So yeah, that's what we're thinking of doing. We're already packed. Yep, so we're here until 8:30, and then we're gonna get picked up by transport, which is gonna take us to the minibus, and then we're gonna head off to the airport. So that's what the plan is. And tomorrow is my cousin's wedding that begins. So we're gonna go back, arrive around 6 o'clock in the morning, and then we have our cousin's wedding in the evening. That starts like all the pre-wedding stuff. My outfit for today, white top, jeans, trainers, and like a blue star. And Jyoti's wearing white, black and blue, and he won't stop moving things. People, luggage is packed, Jyoti is ready, bags packed, drone's ready to fly, and goodbye to this room. But we made a mess, but bye room. What up guys, so basically what we've been up to is sleeping, drones and food, and that's it. So we basically just didn't do much. We just got a couple of drone shots. I think we had to go twice, and then we got the sunset finally. Oh wow, how strange is this? Wait, I'm not sure if you guys can see. Look, it's just, this is all red from what I can see, and then it's blue, and then it goes to the sunset, which is supposed to be red, but you can't see it in the camera. There we go. Yeah, so we're just ready for our taxi. We've just packed our bags, packed away the drone, and we're just waiting on the taxi now. So we basically didn't do much today. It was more of a chill day because we land obviously in the morning, and then I need to have that buffer, be able to drive back home, because it's going to be like early morning and I'll get really sleepy if I didn't sleep. And then we ended up sleeping anyways, and the lighting just went blue for some reason, but yeah.
Finally going home, but we don't want to go home.
Oh, we said bye to the chef because he was making like special vegetarian food sometimes when there
very
wasn't
delicious
anything.
vegetarian food, amazing.
Yeah, he made really
we're gonna
good.
miss.
And then we were like, bye, and then he was like, oh well, I'll see you guys if you ever come again. And then yeah, it was sweet, but yeah. Right guys, so we're in the taxi, we're I don't know how we're getting back. We might get a minibus, but if there's no minibus and no one else is going with us, then there will just be a taxi going back to the airport. But we'll find out. The taxi driver's just left to go into a building. I think it's his house. I think he's coming back now, so yes.
It's a wee bit easier asking now when we're still in the resort, unless we're halfway up the mountain. It's a wee bit harder to turn around if we're up there.